Good at it. No, put it.
As the landscape changes around us, just look below. This is the Foothills. It's known as the The blue sea of the Foothills coast makes it almost invisible. A background of blue-grey rock typically found in its habitat. Moving on to the rocky outcrop to the right, we have the Marcos, king of all mountains. Adult male Marcos has impressive spiral-shaped horns. Marcos are endangered due to relentless fishing for the ornamental value of their horns. It is the demand for animal parts like these that pushes many species towards extinction. Remember, you buy, you die.
Sea flamingo.
Leave the foothills behind and wade through the mud. You can't miss our striking great flamingos. Flamingos feed without ever looking at you. With their head upside down, they take in powerful water stream tiny from the water into the land. As you move into the clearing, look at it. These are the sea, known as swamp deer. In English, Bara means 12 and Singha means more. Bara Singha refers to the multiple points on the male's antlers.
And
A formidable weapon used to fend off rival stags during the mating season. After each mating season, the antlers are shed. You might also notice some slaughtered deer use other axes or cheetah. When allowed, they produce a loud barking. Predators and their prey interact in unique ways within an ecosystem. Keep your eyes peeled and view wide open. For many animals living in the dark do make sounds to communicate with one another. True enough. Hear that? That is the sound of the striped hyena, the only hyena species found in Asia. These highly elusive animals have very powerful jaws that can crack open bones. Their big ears and extremely keen sense of hearing allow them to zero in on an ongoing kill happening kilometers away. Their hind legs are shorter than their front legs, giving them a strange gait, but this helps them run long distances. After large predators such as lions are finished with their meals, hyenas come in opportunistically to feed on the scraps. Scavengers like hyenas play a vital role in the ecosystem by keeping the environment clean. Now, when you have hyenas, it's very likely that you'll see lions close by. To the right. These are Asiatic lions. Unlike their African cousins, Asiatic lions do not form very large prides. A pride of Asiatic lions typically comprises 1 or 2 males, 2 to 3 females, and several young. Lions rely heavily on tactical hunting approaches, for they lack the speed of cheetahs and the stealth of leopards. Lions have to work as a team to bring down larger prey such as buffaloes. Asiatic lions used to be found across India and the Middle East to be extinct. Here at Night Safari, we are proud to have successfully bred our lions as part of a global effort to sustain the population of these species under human care.
Nó phải không?
Up this, second largest land animal, greater 1.5 kilometers. Also known as the lion, it can weigh over 3 tons. Observe the bumpy texture of the animal's skin and its distinct folds, giving it a segmented armor-plated look.
There, he's so big.
While it may look tough,
There it
rhino skin is in fact very sensitive. Rhinos do not sweat, like you and I, which is why they are
They
found
just far.
in their bodies.
Rhinos.
Swallowing the mud helps them to cool.
See there one
With
more.
only 200 individuals left in the wild started the 20th century, Indian
see.
rhinos were close to extinction. With
see.
considered conservation efforts, the population now stands at 3,500. Rhinos have poor eyesight. They rely mostly on their sense of smell to navigate and communicate. Feces and urine are used to mark their territory.
Rhinos.
They produce a
See a
variety
duck.
of hierarchy as the triceratops.
See duck. It's the different. Deer.
These social animals form groups.
See Shana, see. Shana, see deer.
Endless spots are these are some. Males spot anchors.
Hippopotamus so big.
Dạ nó mỗi tiền chữ sẵn.
Here on our left, we have
Dạ cả tôi đã xem lại thì cũng có thể. Hả?
they spend most of the day submerged in water, emerging at dusk to eat fish or plant. Despite the above, hippopotamuses have a surprising
Nếu
small
như mỗi lần mình suy
They
yếu
consume just 1.5 of what a man daily. Nighttime supper. The role of the male is to protect the territory so the females will have to do peace. After the hunt, the males will have to kill first, followed by the females, and lastly the
Sleeping
cubs.
so. Lion.
The lion is the national animal of Singapore. Legend tells of Prince Sangila Utama,
So,
who named this
lion?
city Singapura, or Lion City, because he saw a lion when he first landed on the island. There's just one problem with that story. Lions aren't native to Singapore. Maybe the prince saw a strange, unknown animal and assumed it was a lion. What he really saw remains a tantalizing mystery.
về để lại
grasslands of South and Southeast Asia. Saladams have few friends in Jamila, and he leads the herd and acts as a mediator of conflicts amongst the herd members. When bull elephants are of age, they leave the herd to live independently. The bull elephant on our right is Sangwira. His name means warrior in the Malay language. He was born in 2001 and raised here at only male Asian elephants or bulls have longer tusks. Samba deer once inhabited huge portions of Asia, but hunting and habitat destruction have reduced the population drastically. Predators like the Himalayan tigers began hunting cows and other livestock instead. This brought the tigers into closer contact with humans.